Oh, is it rocking? Oh shit. Oh man, I don't know if I have the guts to come up this whole. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, you can't really see much, but we're on a fire tower. I'll tell you how high it is later. On the top of Glastonbury Mountain in Vermont, and it's really fucking windy. We're in the middle of a storm. My camera's getting a little wet, so I might have to put it away. As you can hear the fucking wind. Holy shit. I'm gonna poop myself. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to get down. I want to get down. That was scary. Okay, bye.